Training with Findorff, it doesn't matter what you're doing in Findorff. There's always people in the field or in the office willing to help you get through your tasks throughout the day. If you don't know how to weld or whatever you may be, whatever you're working on, they either send you to school or there's always guys in the field that help you along the way. It's been a good company ever since I started.
So what we really try to do is we really try to invest into our people. So that goes from the second that they step on your site, we're giving them self-assessments on, hey, what do you like doing? What do you want to be working on? So that we then, with the work that we have ahead of us, we can kind of plan out, hey, I think this person's going to be a really good fit. We always try to put people in places to succeed.
Findorff cares about you as more of a person instead of just an employee. Findorff is always willing to take anyone. Doesn't matter if you're an apprentice iron worker or you're a foreman at a different company, but Findorff, if they're looking for work and they want good work, they're going to try to as hard as they can to keep you around.
I would say give it a chance. You know, you can always change your mind. We've had people who have come on as apprentices. They may start in the laborers union and then switch to the carpenters union. You know, Findorff does a really good job of trying to find the right fit for individuals. So Findorff's looking for people who show up, work hard, and they want to build more than just a job. They want to build their future. We're 100% behind you to go and chase what your goals are.